Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to tell you how to make money taking surveys and how to take surveys successfully. A little bit about me. I do SEO, on-page optimization, keyword research. I promote varied products and services. I do video ranking, link building, guest post blogging, and I've been taking surveys for like 3 to 5 years successfully, making anywhere from $300 to $500 a month, fast and successfully. Now, how do I do that? I register with the sites that I'm about to give you, which are dependable sites that pay fast. And the key to these sites is that they do not disqualify. You need sites that don't disqualify, and even if they do disqualify, they pay you so well to the qualification won't matter. The first site I recommend is called Springboard America. The minimum threshold for this site is $50. They have daily surveys. They only offer surveys. And also another thing you need to stay away from is paid offer, a site that's spamming a lot of paid offer. With Springboard America, they help you to cut through all the red tape. They only offer surveys, so you don't have to worry about a lot of spammy paid offers that are wasting your time and a lot of disqualification and a lot of spam coming into your email. They also have an excellent referral program, paying you like a couple bucks per person who referred to your link. Each time they register and take one survey, you earn a couple bucks instantly. You don't have to wait on your money because they pay you instantly. This site pay your money instantly, and your funds will be added to your account instantly, rather. But they pay you the minimum threshold of $50. This is an excellent site. They won't waste a lot of your time because they don't disqualify. This site is called Springboard America. You should definitely sign with them. The next one is called Prize Rebel. They're a huge site that promotes surveys as well as paid offers. But this site is so huge to it won't matter. They have a lot of payment options, and they also have a lot of earn options as well. This site also have a pay scale in which they constantly give you more money each time you reach new levels and faster payout. This site is called Prize Rebel. The next site is called MySurvey.com. MySurvey.com, they do not disqualify. If they do, it's very rarely. But this site pay well, and they also do not offer any paid offers. They only offer surveys. They pay you anywhere from $1 to $4 to $5 per survey. This site is, is so well because, like Springboard America, they don't offer any spammy paid offers, you know, and you don't have to wait for your funds to be added to your account to be added instantly. This site is called MySurvey.com. They do not disqualify. Most definitely should use them. You can make anywhere from $5 to $13 a day. The next site called Valued Opinion. They have lots of earn options, daily surveys, and earn options. Now, with this site, they pay you anywhere from like $1 to $5 per survey, and they offer like anywhere from like maybe 5 to 10, 15 surveys a day. You can make anywhere from like $25 to $40 a week with this site easily. The thing about this site is they have less disqualification rate, but they pay so well until if you do disqualify, it won't matter because they pay you enough to it be worth your while. This company called Valued Opinion. I most surely recommend them. Now the next company I recommend is called QMe.com. This is the fastest paying online survey site. They only offer surveys. They don't have any spammy offer. And if you notice the pattern I'm giving you sites that don't offer any spam offers. Why? Because they'll offer waste a lot of your time. You want sites that pay surveys and less disqualification sites. All 5 of these sites are the sites that you need to do that with. Trust me, I made money with these sites. QMe, they only promote surveys and they have lots of surveys a day. I mean, lots of surveys. All you have to do is log in and sit right there on their panel. You can make anywhere from like a few bucks to $10 a day with this site easily. And they don't have a threshold, so whenever you reach whatever amount you like, you can cash out instantly, and they don't hold your money. If you cash out through PayPal, your money be in your PayPal account instantly. They also have an excellent referral program paying you like a buck per person who registers. Soon they take one survey, you get paid. This is an excellent company that pays very fast. You need this site. Also, If you come across some sites that only offer virtual visa, get the virtual visa card, because I'm gonna make a video showing you how to trade your virtual visa for PayPal funds instantly. I'm gonna make that video in about a week, so please check back on my channel in about a week, and I have that video for you. Now, these are the sites that I recommend and had a lot of success with them. Also, if you have any idea, leave a comment. Now, and please click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button to help me like I help you. Comment on my video, like and share. This has been a video on how to make money with surveys. My name is Mike. Thank you for clicking on my video.